Prop Chat. Ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Prop Chat. Today we've got a really inspiring guest. She's only been in prop trading for about a month, but her trading journey started earlier than that. What makes her story unique is that she's not just a trader, she's also a mother of four, balancing family life and this new career path. In this episode, we'll talk about balancing the two worlds. I think her story will resonate with anyone who's ever felt too busy, too overwhelmed, or unsure if they could make trading fit in their life. So please welcome Ella. Hi, Ella. First of all, I'd like to thank you for accepting our invitation and becoming a guest here on our podcast. It's so great to have you here.
Thank you so much. It's a privilege also to be here.
Oh, great. Thank you. So let's start with a warm-up game. But first, could you please tell me how old are your kids?
My oldest is 13. My youngest is 9. No, 2. I have a 9 and a 5-year-old also.
All right, great. So here's a fun game for you. I'll throw you some, trading terms, and your challenge is to explain them as if you were talking to a 6-year-old. So short and simple. For example, Bitcoin, it's like pocket money that only exists online. So if you're ready, we can start.
Okay.
All right, the first one, let's start with trading.
Trading, it's like buying and selling. You're taking your money, using your money to exchange for something else.
Fair enough. Another one, stop loss.
It's a way of reducing the risk of you losing your money.
All right. Let's try leverage.
I don't know how to explain that.
All right, maybe it's too early for a 6-year-old. Let's try another one. Let's say prop firm.
It's like an organization that gives you money to trade, more money to trade and help you trade more.
All right, and the final one, the fifth one, volatility.
Unstable. When something is unstable, goes up and down, not stable.
All right, thank you. That was great, very entertaining. So now let's move on to the main part, to the main interview. So, Ella, let's go back to the very beginning. When did you first discover trading, and what got you curious to try it?
I think 2017, I came across a boy talking about Binance. That was a long time ago. I just had my third child, and that was the first time I heard about such crypto and Binance, but I didn't do much about it. I didn't dig deep. So last year, um, a friend talked to me about it. I just had a conversation about it with a friend, and I went in. But I know it was not the right time. But I just wanted to know what is it. But I didn't go in with the right notion. I just wanted to. They're making money. I just want to go make money. So I went in, and it was a very bad experience. I came out of it. That was last year, June last year. I came out of it. I stopped around August. I stopped, and just recently last month, I came back into Forex again. But I made more research. I studied more. I learned more. I wanted to know more, and here am I. But I know I still have a long way to go because I keep doing the wrong thing. Keep doing the wrong things all the time.
All right. You said that you're most familiar with XAU USD pair, right? Gold
Yes,
versus
that's the only
dollar.
thing I
So
know. That's the only
what
thing I know.
exactly drew you to that market?
Yeah. What drew me to that market is the people I heard it from, and it's the way they advertise it, how they make more money from it. Actually, the idea of it going to it was just to make more money. I want something to just ease me of the burden of working. I'm a full-time worker. I work night shifts, and just something to ease me a little bit. So I just felt that it's something I can just run into and get money, like the way they talk about it. And sincerely, that's the only thing I know. SAUUSD. Up to now, that's the only thing I know.
All right. You joined Sabio about a month ago, right? What made you
Yeah.
what made you take that leap from traditional trading into prop?
Yeah. A couple was talking about it on Instagram. I don't know. I can't remember their name, but that was how I got to know Sabi. So they talked about it and they said I don't need to use my money to trade. And I've not heard that before. I have never heard where you don't have to use your own money to trade. That they'll help you, give you capital to trade. You just have to meet the requirements, and you make profits, you split profit 80/20. And I was like, is this for real? I didn't actually believe. I said, is this for real? Let me see what it is about. So I went in and just signed in. I didn't even do much. I just signed in to see if it's true or not. So I went in on Google and I didn't like there's so many things I heard about profit that I didn't really like. So didn't give me the opportunity to push further. Before I started hearing about people talking about profit. It just came as at the time I signed up with Sabio. That was when I started hearing about really it happens for real. People use profit to trade, give them opportunity to leverage more, opportunity to proper risk management and more discipline because they give you a condition to use the account to trade, and it gives more discipline than when you're using your own life account.
YouTube can give you snippets. Books can give you theory, but a real mentor gives you feedback, accountability, and shortcuts that save you years of trial and error. At Sabio, we offer a dedicated mentorship program. You get to work directly with experienced traders who've been through the same mistakes, faced the same doubts, and know how to guide you past them. Doubting your strategy? Don't have one yet? Want to review your trades and get honest feedback? Then book a free one-on-one session and ask your mentor. If you're serious about growth, mentorship is the fastest way forward. I know trading wasn't all flawless and easy for you in the beginning, but you mentioned getting scammed in Telegram Forex groups, right? Can you tell
Yeah.
us what happened and how it made you feel at the moment?
Yeah, because it was the idea I put into going to trade. My motive, the objective goal of me going into trade, I just wanted to make money. So that was what made me jump into the wrong hands because I didn't want to. I don't think I didn't go into trading to want to know what it's about or to learn. Just want to go in and start making money. So that I was desperate. I was just jumping in from one place to another, and that made me go into the wrong hands. And really, I lost a lot of money last year. Lost hard money that I made. Might be little to others, but it was a lot to me. I lost them in the process of saying they will help me manage my account. I don't need to worry since I don't have time to trade. To help me manage my account, and that's how I lost so much.
I'm sorry to hear that. But looking back, how do you separate useful knowledge from, empty promises in the industry? If a new trader is watching us right now, what red flags should they look for in communities or mentors?
Yeah, I think it's good. It's best you have good knowledge about trading. It's going to help you grow instead of looking for just signals. It's good when you have good knowledge, good mentorship. Yeah, I think it will help you in your journey of trading instead of just looking for where to get signals, just jumping from one signal provider to another. And most of the time, 80% of the time, you're losing money. Even if you're going to get signal, if you have the knowledge, you'll go and check to confirm what that signal provider has said. If you confirm and you're in the right track, then you go ahead. But when you don't have any idea, you just jumping into trades, risking your own money. And
After all the scams and setbacks, did you ever feel like quitting? I mean, what kept you moving forward?
Yeah, I think I just felt that there's um there's a lot of there's a lot of things for me to learn in this trading. I'm not just doing it right. I know I was not doing something right. I know I was not doing something right. And that was what made me come back to it. I've seen a lot of people become successful in it, not because they're successful, because I've seen the effort they put into it that I didn't put, that I didn't want to put into it. I just wanted to be successful without putting those efforts. So I knew I had to come back to this, but I have to be under proper mentorship. I have to know this in order to do well in it.
After those experiences, where did you actually begin to learn real trading skills? I don't know, books, mentors, YouTube, maybe some courses.
Yeah, I think YouTube helped me, and some ebooks from some traders, but I'm still learning. I still have a long way to go. I still have That's why I want to join Sabio. Yeah, I still have a long way to go in trading because I just think this is for me. I'm getting to know this is for me. If I know the in depth of it, it's gonna benefit me a lot. It's even something that I can pass on to people. It's a knowledge I can also pass on to other people. That's why I know that I need good proper mentorship. That's why I want to join Sabio.
So you are a mother of four. Can you tell us what your daily life looks like and how trading really fits into that picture? I mean, how do you simply find time to study charts and practice while managing all those, family responsibilities?
Yeah, before now, the job I was doing before last year that made me the job contributed in me losing a lot because I didn't really have time. It was so tedious. So I told myself if I could get another job that would ease me of the stress, then I can go into it. So I got another job, a much easier job, and that won't make me. So I do night shifts, though. But now I'll come home, I relax for a few hours, I'm good, and it's not a over consuming kind of job that I do before that I don't get to sleep at all because I do a night sit. Most of my shifts are not a sleep where I go night, most of like night sleep, not unlike before that. 12 hours I'm awake, I'm walking around, I'm a care assistant. But this one I'm more relaxed, not unlike before. And so I'm not really under a lot of stress like before. I get home, my kids or it's when they're in school, I have more time to check the charts, do what I want to do. I don't trade all day. I just do what I have to do in the morning. And if there's any opportunity, I jump on it. If there's no opportunity, I leave it and I go get some rest before they come back from school.
Are there moments when family life and trading really clash? Like kids
Of
running
course, a
in
lot
when
of time.
you're in a trade, and how do you
Yeah,
handle it?
a lot of time. Even my kids now, they get to the moment you're trading. There was a particular time we're all watching. And they're like, "Oh, mommy, do you want it to go down? It has to go down." So there's a lot of time it clashes with family. Maybe they want my attention, and I have a trait that is giving me so much, that's putting me through so much emotions. I just have to let them know that I am going through this, and they understand, and they know mommy is doing something. Mommy is trading. They always ask, "Mom, are you trading? Okay, we'll give you some time." So
Hmm.
trading really is it's really clashing, but thank God I have this my kids. They're little, but they are super amazing and understanding kids. They know, they see the emotion, they see it. So they even like my oldest one will always tell mommy, let me know how to do this. So if you don't have time to do it, I can help you. If you're in the kitchen, I can help you do it. I said I'm
Hmm.
still learning. When I learn, I'll pass the knowledge to you. So it clashes a lot, I won't lie.
All right, but what helps you reset on tough days when maybe the trades don't go your way and family life is chaotic? What helps you?
Let me give you an example. On Monday, I lost a lot of money. Money I made off trading, actually, not my money. But it was painful because I actually thought I wanted to grow the money to help me have more opportunities to leverage, more opportunities to put bigger lot size, not too big, but more than to make more profits. So that day on Monday, I took the wrong trade and it was really, really bad. I am just coming out of it. So my kids saw that in me because I could not hide the feeling. I could not hide it. I was down for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and that really affected me at home because there was a lot of things I could not do. But like I said, my husband and my kids, they know I'm doing this, and they know I love to do it. So they were the support system that I needed.
Some moms, they talk about feeling left behind in the job market because of the years spent raising children. Have you ever felt this? And does trading help to, I don't know, counter those insecurities?
There's no way. There's sometimes that there's some opportunities that I miss because I have to attend to one child or the other. Or I have to do one. Sorry, I have to maybe I'm supposed to be doing the laundry, and there are some opportunities that. So yes, sometimes I just miss some opportunities because I'm a mom and I work. So sometimes I'm even at work, and there's some opportunities that come that I'm supposed to just jump at that I miss because I'm at work or I'm being a mom or I'm being a wife. So it's a lot. Yes, I think sometimes I miss out a lot.
But does trading help to counter those insecurities?
I don't understand.
Maybe trading helps you feeling better, although you
Yeah,
have
training makes
missed
me feel
something.
better. When I'm in profits, yes, I feel good. When I'm in profits, yes, makes me feel better. But if it's the other way around, I'm still getting to balance the emotions that there's some days that I lose, but at the moment I just don't want to lose. But I'm still getting to get trying to balance that equation that there's some days I have to lose. I just take that emotions all day and it just shows all over me that this woman lost money today.
All right, and the final question, the final one is here. If another busy parent or working professional is watching us right now and thinking about, starting trading, what would you tell them?
Oh, it's really hard when you're a busy mom or parent. It's hard to combine trading and being busy. But you can find your way around because there are so many opportunities. If you lose an opportunity in the morning, maybe during the London section, you can get another opportunity during the US session. So there's so many opportunities. It shouldn't be not something that we can just sit down around the clock with. There are opportunities every time in the market, and even if we are busy, we still find time. There's people that who trade in the night. There are traders that trade in the morning time, midnight. So there's so many opportunities. You just find what suits with your time.
Ella, thank you so much for sharing your story with us today. I know a lot of people watching us will feel inspired by your determination. So I'd like to thank you for your time and for your insights. Thank you and have a great evening.
Thank you so much. I'm really honored.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
God
Bye.
bless you.
Bye.
Prop Chat. Ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
And to you, our viewers, limitations are just barriers we reimagine every day. I hope Ella's journey helps you picture a new tomorrow, one when you're your own boss. This was Prop Chat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this episode and follow Sabio on social media. And by the way, it's a great day for trading. Just think about it. See you very soon.